In this next session, we're going to take a different look at an application for the subtract tool. We're going to try and figure out how much gasoline is going to take to fill up this tank. So on the front plane, we're going to come in and start a sketch. We're going to draw a rectangle. This kind of represents how full the tank's going to be if left flat on the ground. Come in and extrude, do maybe a mid-plane extrusion, and just a little bit wider than the gas tank. The trick here is we're not going to merge the results. So we're going to be left with two bodies. Okay, we're going to say insert, features, and combine, and again use the subtract tool. Our main body is this one, and the bodies we want to subtract is the gas tank. Let's say OK and see what happens. Well, we're actually going to get two different bodies, the outer body and the inner body. So we can actually pick which body we want to keep and get rid of here. I'm going to show you a different way of doing it. I actually want to keep all the bodies. And now from the solid bodies folder, we can easily see which bodies they are again. If we come and select on this body, we can hit the delete key. And it's actually going to give us a feature at the bottom of the feature manager tree that we could maybe suppress or unsuppress for a different application. So let's take a look at what we've got with this part. Do a rebuild real quick. Go through and make sure we've got the volume nice and updated. And then if we go to the Evaluate tab, and we can go to Mass Properties, and we're going to see how much this guy weighs. See what the volume is inside. So I'm not sure how many cubic inches we are, but let's change the units and see what else we can do. Options, use custom settings, per unit volume will come down to US gallons. And sure enough, we're just below the 5-gallon size at 4.33 gallons. So this gives us a nice multi-body use of the subtract tool, and we can calculate volumes on tanks.